What's the meaning of cattle grid? Cattle grid. Cattle grid.
Cattle grid. Cattle grid. A cattle grid is a type of barrier used to prevent livestock, such as cows and sheep, from crossing onto roads or other areas. It consists of a series of parallel metal bars or rails placed over a ditch or pit, creating a gap that is too wide for the animal's hooves to traverse. When the animals approach the cattle grid, they are unable to cross over it and are discouraged from attempting to do so. This helps to keep them safely contained in their designated areas and reduces the risk of accidents involving vehicles and livestock.